guys, it's Serena Math Person. Today I'll be going over question 137 on SOA Exam P. So pause the video real quick and try to spam yourself. Okay, assuming you already attended it, let's just dive right in. So they say x and y are identically distributed with this moment generating function right here. So they're saying the moment generating function of x plus y of t is equal to that thing. So by definition, this is equal to the expected value of e to the x plus y t. Furthermore, we can say this is equal to the expected value of e to the xt times e to the yt. But because we know they're independent, we can actually split this up into e of xt times e of yt. And we know that this is equal to the marginal distribution function of m of x of t times m of y of t. And the thing is, these tell you these are identically distributed, so we know that this is just equal to m of xt times m of xt. So this is equal to m of xt, the whole thing squared, is equal to this whole shabam. 0.09 e to negative 2t plus 0.24 e to negative t. Oh my goodness, this is so long. But the good thing is, it's kind of like a little pyramid looking thing, right? Like these two numbers are the same, these two numbers are the same. So when we take the square root, we are more likely to find a perfect square for this. But how do we do this? Okay, so on the outside, at least we know that there must be 0.03 e to the negative t, because when we multiply 0.03 something 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 squared, when we square that number, we're going to get 0.09 e to the negative t. And same thing here, 0.03 e to the t, when you square that, you're going to get 0.09 e to the 2t. So we're just looking for the middle value right here. But the thing is, we know this is also a marginal moment generating functions. And so moment generating functions, coefficients have to add up to 1. So by default, if this is 0.06 already, this must be 0.4. I hope that makes sense. And you will see that when you multiply this out, you're going to get 0.2. This function right here, but I assume you guys can do it by yourself. So then m of xt is equal to 0.03 e to the negative t plus 0.4 plus 0.3 e to the t. We know by definition moment generating function is equal to e to the t x, right? So then if we're looking for, like, let's say probability that x is equal to 0 for, let's say, then we're looking for when the x value here is 0. So that's going to be just in this function here, this is going to be the value of 0.4, because e to the 0 is going to be 1, so this is 0.4. And the probability that x is equal to negative 1, right, because we're looking for less than 0, is going to have a negative in that exponent, negative t. So that coefficient right here is going to be, the probability is going to be 0.3 here. So, and that's it. So then the probability that x is less than 0 is going to be equal to 0.4 plus 0.3, which is equal to 0.7. Our answer, E. If you guys have any questions, feel free to leave them down below. Otherwise, as always, make sure you like, subscribe, and share. Bye!